This is one of the easiest upgrades I've ever done on a system, especially when it comes to swapping on a system drive. Shout out to Kingston. They sent me out the KC3000 Gen 4 NVMe drives to check out. Interestingly enough, I only had Gen 3 drives in the system, which I built a couple years ago. The reason for that was that the price to performance differences back then between Gen 3 to Gen 4, I didn't really see the need to sort of jump up the things, but we all know that those Gen 4 prices that rocked bottom crashed down in the price lately. So it's definitely worth time to sort of check these out. And I did an upgrade of my entire system to Gen 4 and had really seen the improvements. What I really like about with Kingston is usually when you get a drive from them, they're going to send you a Cronus True image, an OEM license built right into it. So it makes it really easy to clone one drive to another. And the way I did that, I used this external drive for, I believe what's it called, Sabrent. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the name right. But I brought this one here, an NVMe drive, to be able to do the cloning. I'll drop a link in the description for it. It's real easy, real simple to use. And the cloning process was pretty simple as well to kind of follow through the steps and guides. It takes maybe 20, 25 minutes to clone the drive over from one to the other. And I did this for both drives that they sent me because they sent me the 1 terabyte and the 2 terabyte drives. Now you'll see here is the benchmarks that I did. I used something simple like Crystal Disk Mark just to be able to show you what the benchmarks are with theoretically how well these drives should perform. But I really wanted to have some type of real performance to kind of show you this. So I figure why not just transfer one big folder over from one drive to the other drive, and you can see the speeds between these are really fast. It is truly a fast drive. Gen 4 really is a game changing when you have your system synced and tuned right there for it. For gamers out there, if you're upgrading it to NVMe, go Gen 4, you might as well future-proof yourself there. You should see the pickup on speed for some of the games that do take advantage of the faster drives. And for the creators out there, you definitely want to look at Gen 4 right now, especially if your system supports it and the prices that are out there. Definitely look at Kingston. I know the other brands kind of get more sort of attention, I feel like the Samsungs and of the world out there, and they make good drives too, but Kingston does make really good, reliable drives, and I don't think their name gets put out there a whole lot. They didn't pay me for this video, they just sent out the drives. We've had a working relationship for years, and I've always used their products, and they've just been rock solid. They might not be the first ones out, but they make something that's not only fast, but solid and works well without any hiccups, and what you're gonna get here with this Kingston drive. So I highly recommend you guys check them out, along with this recommended video right here, which I don't have anything directly to throw you to, but YouTube knows, and I'll send you over there to the best video for you to watch next. So check that, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.